So my name is Philippe Cruchten. I'm a professor of software engineering at the University of British Columbia in Vancouver, Canada. This is only my retirement job. I was a software developer and a software architect in industry for about 30 years, working mostly in telecommunication, transportation, aerospace, air traffic control. So in this presentation, I spoke about a few issues that are still slowing down software development. In software engineering, we have very good tools, very good techniques, lots of components that we can use, lots of free software that we can use, but still we would like to be able to deliver software at a relative rapid pace. And what's slowing us down is what I call friction. And there's two main forms of friction that is slowing software development. One is called technical debt, and the other one, by analogy, I will call it social debt. Technical debt is something that is very well known by experienced software developer. It's all this imperfection, these decisions that we've done in the past and that we never revisited or never corrected. They are slowly slowing us down. We are sort of paying interest on that debt. Technical debt exists. It's very hard to measure. It's very hard to circumscribe, but it doesn't mean that we cannot do anything about it. Software development organizations need to more clearly identify technical debt, make it visible at the level of the development organization, the company, make it part of the planning process. And in order to do that, project managers, business owners, product managers need to be aware of the technical debt and its cost, both in the present and in the future. So, yep, it's an interesting concept in project management that is a bit specific to software because of the nature of software and the fact that we can have software that is functional, that doesn't have defect, but that internally has a structure that makes it very hard to evolve in the future. Now, social debt, it's a little bit the same thing. We sometimes set up an organization to develop software that is organized in teams, maybe with teams that are distributed, maybe some part of the software development is outsourced to some other organization, maybe we have partners that we receive software from. We tend to actually sometimes make some design decisions about how we organize the people. And the same thing, we have some social debt. That is, there are decisions that need to be revisited. We need to reorganize the team to facilitate software development. We need to reorganize responsibilities of the teams. We may need to introduce different set of tools to enhance communication between teams. So pretty much like we have technical debt on the software side, on the organization side, I see organizations, especially large ones, suffering from social debt and not tackling it. Especially it's a little bit harder. It's easy to blame the software or to blame a bug or to blame a tool. But when we start speaking about people, there are emotional, psychological effects into play. People have a hard time analyzing and putting really on the table the issues and the possible solution to these issues, especially when they involve changing people's role, responsibility, changing the hierarchical structure, the reporting structure of the organization. There's lots of things to learn from the web and various things about technical debt. And social debt, it's still a brand new concept. And hopefully we'll dig into it in the next few years.